And we are on page 40. All right, peeps, let's see it. Who's willing to give me the first step? Show that this is this. First step, get yourself a candy cane. First step. Who's not gotten a candy cane yet, though, because I want to share them? Yes, Soph. We could. Let's just go take that derivative. Let's do it. Let's go fig plus give it, girl. 6 y. That's f prime g. Love it. Plus g prime. Love it. F. Perfect. Derivative of 2. Good. Derivative of y cubed.
3y dy dx.
3y squared. Perfect. dy dx. All right, who's got my next step? Dar, have you gotten a candy cane yet? Okay, girl, get it.
Subtract 6x dy dx.
Okay. She says, I want to subtract 6x dy dx. So we'd have 3y squared dy dx minus 6x dy dx. Okay, then what do you want to do, boo?
Factor dy dx.
Love it. She says, take a dy dx out. What's left, Dar?
Times 3y squared.
Okay.
And then divide 6y.
6y divided by all that jazz. Are we feeling like we're pretty close, Dar? Dar, we're so close.
Yes.
She says, I want to factor out a 3 or divide everything by a 3. Dar, what would I be left with if I took 6y divided by 3? 2y over. And are we there? B says, find the coordinates of a point on the curve. On the curve. The curve is this crazy formula up here where the tangent line is horizontal.
Why?
Hoy. The slope is 0, she said. Why, he said, isn't horizontal part of hoy. The slope is 0. By saying the slope is 0, Miss Soph, if the slope is 0, can't I just say, all right, well, when the slope, which is what they gave me, is 0, they give you a point for that right there, Soph. It says, find the coordinates of a point on the curve where the tangent line is horizontal, or explain why there are no points. Can we go set this equal to 0? What would you guys do to solve for this?
Multiply by the
Multiply by the denominator all day, every day. And we get 2y equals 0. So what's my y going to be?
0.
Great. You guys, it says find the coordinates on the curve. Here we go. If my y is 0, it says find the coordinates on the curve. Where am I going to put this?
0.
Yeah, it's a 0. Where am I going to put it? Yeah. What would this get me on the... Oh, you can't see this. Ah! You guys, if I plug in a 0 right here, what am I getting over here? 0 equals 2 plus...
0.
Does 0 equal 2 plus 0? No, it says find the points or explain why they don't exist. We would just say no point on the curve.
Because 0 does not equal 2.
Where tangent...
Do I get another candy cane
No.
now?
For the record, I got it when you opened up.
Oh my gosh.
What value are we using for x?
Good call. We didn't have one. So we just plugged in 0 for y. Oops. We just plugged in 0 for y right here, girlfriend. And by doing that, that just got a 0 equals 2. Because this x would be multiplied by a 0.